It's me, Opeoluwa, your Sabi midwife. Today I'll be talking about weaning. That is the process of weaning. Why some people experience some level of mood changes when they are trying to wean their babies, what to do, and some helpful tips for weaning your baby successfully. Before I continue, if you have not followed me on Instagram, please follow me at Sabi Midwife, and on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, please, at Sabi Midwife. Thank you. Now, what is weaning? Weaning is a gradual process of replacing breast milk with other milk for your baby. That is, the process of weaning is when you're trying to replace breast milk to other solids or other liquid food for your baby. And it's recommended that weaning should start after 6 months. That is, the baby must have breastfed for the first 6 months of life, and then from 6 months, then the process of weaning can start. Now, there are a lot of mistakes that people make when weaning their babies. And what are those mistakes? Thinking that you can wean a baby within a very short period of time. Some baby may need an extended period of time to get adjusted to the fact that, oh, they will not always be on the breast all the time. And then what some people don't know about weaning is that weaning does not mean automatically taking away breast milk and replacing it with solid or with liquid or other food. It means reducing the amount of breastfeeding and replacing them with meal time. Now, some common mistakes that people make is that they try to replace breast milk immediately. They try to start giving other food, other solid food immediately. What some children will have is some children will not have it. Some children prefer gradually. So it's good that you go from the very light food so that your baby will start taking food, and then it becomes less stressful for you. Now, the reason why a lot of people have mood changes when they are weaning their babies is because there's hormonal interference. Just like during menstruation, during the menstrual cycle, before menstruation, you have some level of mood changes for people that listen to their body, and then after menstruation, few days after menstruation, it all settles down, and then at ovulation, some of the hormones are high, then you have some mood changes, and then that happens also in weaning, because breastfeeding involves hormones, and especially the hormone prolactin and the hormone oxytocin. Once you are trying to stop your baby from breast milk, you're sending signal to the brain. Oxytocin is getting that signal to reduce the amount of milk produced. Oxytocin, we all know, is a love hormone. Prolactin is a calm hormone. So both oxytocin and prolactin, they are both love hormone, they are calm hormone, and they are happy hormones. So by the time you stop the production, you may feel anxious. Some people experience some varying degree of anxiety, depression, mood changes, feeling low, and all of that. It is because the amount of oxytocin that is being released in the blood is getting reduced gradually, and that's why it's normal to feel that way. So it's normal to feel a little anxious, depressed, or not wanting to see your baby, or longing for your baby. If you go to work, probably you left the baby somewhere, so wanting or longing to see your baby and all of that. They're just normal. They're normal hormones, and they will settle with time, trust me. They settle within 2 weeks, within 14 days, within 7 to 14 days. They settle with the right technique. And what are the things you should do? One, when you know that you want to win your baby, things to do is that you have to talk to yourself. You're not doing any harm for the baby, but the baby is growing up. So you have to tell yourself that your baby is growing up and it's something you should be happy about. Secondly is take as much water as possible. Take enough fluid. If you need to take a break, just take a break. If you need to cuddle the baby, you can always cuddle the baby without breastfeeding the baby. So you may need to cuddle the baby more often without breastfeeding the baby. It can help you settle your hormones, fight the anxiety and depression. And then please talk to people. If you are experiencing some degree of anxiety and depression while you are breastfeeding or while you are trying to wean your baby, then you should talk to professionals. Talk to somebody about it. Tell them how you feel about it. So another thing about weaning, some of the tips about weaning is that when you're trying to wean your baby, don't take off the breast milk immediately. You can take off night breast milk first, because breast milk is produced more at night and in the early hours of the morning. So you can take off night breastfeeding and breastfeed throughout the day, but at night you do not breastfeed. And then you do that gradually. Once you see that baby has adjusted to not taking breast milk at night, then you can now reduce the number of feeds, breast feeds in the day, during the day. So the baby, for instance, takes breast milk like 4 to 5 times during the day. Baby has well adjusted to no breast milk in the night, in the middle of the night. So during the day, if the baby have adjusted to that, then during the day you can reduce the number of time. So baby takes 4 times during the day, you can reduce it to 3. So you can see that I'm saying gradually. All of these things are gradual and not abrupt. If you stop a baby abruptly from breastfeeding, you're going to experience more mood changes, you're going to experience physical changes, you're going to experience pain. When I was trying to wean my baby, I did experience pain because I did it gradually. I weaned my baby over a period of like 3 months. That is, we stopped night breastfeeding. I don't even breastfeed at night most times. So we stopped night breastfeeding first, and then we settled on that for a long period of time, for about 1 month, and then we reduced the number of feeds during the day, and then we replacing them with food. And then some people will believe that, my baby is not taking this and he has to take breast milk. Yes, you have to be gradual and patient with babies. Babies are different, and your neighbor's baby is very different from your baby. And your first baby is different from your second baby. Your second baby is different from your third baby. So you have to approach every baby individually. So if you're trying to wean a baby, always wait until baby is hungry. When baby is hungry, try to introduce that meal in a very attractive form, with dance, with joy, just like when you want to feed your husband. When your husband is angry and you need your husband to do something, so you have to dance. If it means dancing for your baby, if it means singing for your baby, you can do all of that. And with time, baby can start with little, then with time, with patience and perseverance, baby will eat. I hope these tips help you. If you want to comment, if you have questions, you can put them in my comment section and I'll be there to answer your questions. Please follow my YouTube channel, so Sabi Midwife, and on Instagram, Sabi Midwife, on TikTok, Sabi Midwife. Thank you very much. Bye.